Hey, welcome to What Kenny Do. I am your host, Kenny G, alongside my co-host,
Breadstick Ninja
82. And today, we're coming at you with the 3 best things to cook in an air fryer right now.
Frying it up.
Today, we have a couple of the Power XL 7-quart air fryers. Remember back on our Christmas video, you're supposed to be getting some kind of Ninja Turtle movie, but we ended up going with these bad boys.
Ninja Turtle air fryer.
Actually, you went with this, and I just copied you.
Yeah, it was great.
This machine is awesome.
It is.
We cook in ours all the time.
We do too.
We're gonna cook 3 things tonight for the people out there. Show them how quick, how easy it is.
And then we're gonna eat them, right?
Then we're gonna eat them. The very first thing we're gonna do, I guess, is start with an appetizer, right?
You got to, right?
We'll start with some mozzarella sticks. Do you know how this thing works?
I know it's like a touch screen. There's some buttons.
Yeah, no, there's a basket right here that has food in it. This is the basket, 7 quarts.
7-quart basket.
No grease, no nothing. You can spray it with some cooking spray and put your food in there.
Hit it with some Pam.
And then you have settings, temperature and time, where you can cook it with just air. It's hot air going in there.
I feel like, on Price is Right, when they would show off the prizes, I feel like, Power XL.
You do that way better than I do.
I know. I'm like the Vanna White of the Power XL.
I'm not a lefty, though. So what we're going to do now is start off with some mozzarella sticks. This is the appetizer for what we're going to call this.
Getting fried.
Getting fried with G and Breadstick Ninja. So we are going to start with some mozzarella sticks. Turn it on. It is a little noisy, ain't it, when it's cooking?
It can be.
The first thing you're going to do is program it and let it run to preheat it.
We need to preheat.
Is yours going to start?
I don't see air fryer instructions. Everything's got air fryer instructions these days.
Oh, there we go. There it started.
Bam.
So you're going to let it do that for 3 or 4 minutes. Let it
Till it's preheated.
Preheated. So once you get it to a point where it's been running for a couple of minutes, you are going to pull your basket out.
Basket out.
And it's always nice to go ahead and give it a little spray.
Don't worry, I'll open the mott sticks.
All right, you open the mott sticks. And the air fryer is relatively new, so I don't have a lot of experience cooking with it. Most of the time, I just got to go online and say mozzarella cheese sticks.
Yeah.
Because they're not yet on the box.
No.
Okay, so you're going to open those. You're going to open the plastic bag with your handy box knife with your grease, oil, and work derbice on it. And you're going to put those gently into the air fryer.
Did that look sexy?
And then you're going to put it in there. Now, what's those cooked for, does it say?
Yeah. So in a conventional oven, it's gonna cook for 10 minutes.
We'll put it on 10 minutes and 400. Then you just let that cook.
And have some beers?
Have some beers. So it's been running a couple of minutes. You want to check it?
Yeah.
All you got to do is pull that out, and it'll stop. And then give them a little shake.
This is pro status.
There we go.
I mean, that's already looking pretty crispy.
Yeah, they do look pretty good.
A couple more minutes?
Yep, let's just stick them back in there for a couple more minutes. I need a drink. How about we break and get drinks?
Let's do that.
Okay. All right, that's been 5 minutes. Half of the 10 we set it for.
So we're ready.
Let's go ahead and check on them. We never know. Oh yeah, we forgot about the beer opening. See, that one's starting to...
Oh, they look good.
That one's starting to bust cheese out.
They look crispy.
I don't know if you can see that, but...
I hate it when they bust cheese out.
Yeah.
Keep it clean, people.
You gonna try one?
Yeah, I'm gonna try one. Let's try the one with
the
busted cheese. I'm gonna try the busted cheese.
You got some marinara there, homemade.
Little marinara action. Perfect.
Looks like it's piping hot.
It is piping hot.
Crunchy on the outside.
Crunchy on the outside.
Cheesy on the inside.
Cheesy goodness.
Air fried cheese sticks. Getting fried edition.
5 minutes.
Kids, cheese sticks. Cheese sticks with breadstick.
Come get your mouth crisp breadstick.
Up next, we're going to be doing some, chicken wings?
Chicken wings.
Boneless or bone in? Bone on or bone off? Or wait, what is it?
Boner.
Bone in or bone out?
Bone in, boneless.
So bone in means the bone's actually in there.
Bone's in it.
boneless means it's less the bone.
Some people say it's a chicken nugget, but that's not true. It's just a convenient nugget.
Well, to do those, we're gonna go ahead and clean this out, get it ready, get it preheated, and then we're gonna show you how easy it is to do barbecue chicken wings.
Yes.
Right here on What Can He Do? All right, we are back and we have two machines going now, actually preheating. And this one's ready, so we're gonna pull the bucket out.
All right.
And we're going to grab the spray. Spray the inside of it. Now you're just gonna...
Want to dump some wings in there?
Yeah, dump some wings in there.
How many wings we're dumping in there?
Well, you don't want to put a whole bunch because you want the air to be able to circulate in there, but go ahead, go for it, a little bit more.
A little bit more?
Okay, that's probably good.
Okay.
And now you're just gonna do your salt and pepper and your seasoning.
Now, I mean, this is chicken, and people are worried about salmonella. But how long we got to do these things for?
These you gotta cook usually about 20-25 minutes.
Okay, that's still a lot faster than a regular oven.
Yeah, and it's a lot healthier for you because there is no grease. I mean, they'll leave some grease in there, but it cooks with air, hot air. So you're not getting all that grease. Okay, so it's on 400.
400.
And I'm probably gonna leave it on 16 minutes and we'll check it about halfway through.
Okay.
Shake them up, make sure, and that's what you want to do. And then once you get down towards about the last 10 minutes, that's when you coat them with your sauce and then throw them back in to finish them off.
We're gonna give them a little shaky shake.
Shaky, shaky, then a coaty.
Yes.
So let's get that other one going.
Let's do it. I mean, are we dripping stuff all over?
Alrighty. This is, yeah, you are. That's the grease. It built, all that grease is going down and settling beneath that tray in there. So these have been cooking 8 minutes now. We had them on 16, so we're down to 8.
Yes.
We're gonna pop them back in. You just wanted to do that about halfway through.
We gotta shake it up.
Shake them up, and then we're gonna pop them back in.
Okay.
All right, let's do it. All right, this is what they're looking like.
Yeah.
This is after 24 minutes. We did 12, flipped them, shook them,
then
12 more.
Yep.
Okay, and now we are going to do the sauce.
Okay.
So we are. Which one you want? Buffalo, barbecue?
I mean, I'll take the buffalo.
Take the buffalo.
Okay. What's the game plan here?
Just put some in this bowl.
Oh, that didn't have a top on it. That was tricky.
And try not to get the plastic piece in there.
Ah! I didn't have a plastic piece in mine.
Okay, now you're just going to take your chicken wings and put them in there.
Okay.
And coat them, toss them, whatever you want to call them. Saucing, I'm saucing. That one kind of stuck there. And then you're just going to kind of.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I've never tossed wings before. I got no clue what I'm doing, but we're just rolling.
This is the Kenny G method.
Kenny G.
So you got buffalo, I got barbecue.
Yep. Oh, this is spicy. It's burning my nose hairs.
And what you're gonna do is then take them and put them back in your air fryer bucket.
I mean, did you just pour yours in? Because I still have sauce in the bottom of mine.
Yeah, pour it in there.
You can just kind of pour them in there.
And now we're gonna cook for 6 more minutes, but we're gonna flip them halfway through that.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I might have got some sauce on the bottom of that. Is that okay?
That's gonna be good. That's gonna add to the goodness. Show the camera.
Yeah.
Buffalo barbecue.
Woo!
6 more minutes.
Let's do it.
This is what you end up with.
Yeah, they look good.
They do look good. You can't just pour this out because all the grease from that chicken is underneath that tray down there. So it's not cooking in grease. It's cooking by air. It's science. Tell me more.
I feel like we should have wore our lab coats tonight.
Oh yeah, the one we have.
Yeah, we could have taken turns.
And there you have it, man. Got your barbecue right there. Your barbecue chicken, as Juju would say. And you got your yucky buffalo-y.
Buffalo!
So that's it. We're just now eat these real quick, off camera.
Yep.
And then it'll be time for, you know what?
Fried Oreos.
Deep fried Oreos for dessert.
I mean, I'm so looking forward to those deep fried Oreos. You ready for this action?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Process.
Woo, that chicken was good. But it's time for dessert. So we're gonna do some air fried Oreos.
Oh man,
you are going to take these
crescent rolls. This has not been opened.
I like the sound effects. Basically just cut these into fours, man. Half of it.
We're cutting squares. You can't see that? Squares.
Yeah, kind of like that.
Yeah. They want you to cut them in triangles, but you know, we don't bow down to the man.
Then you're just gonna take an Oreo.
Somebody's been eating those.
That was my assistant.
Chip.
Chip. You're just going to wrap the Oreo up.
Wrap it up.
Wrap it up around it. All closed up, nice and all the way around. No little holes.
I feel like Paula Dean could be here right now.
Yeah, she'd probably be impressed with us.
We gotta get some butter.
Those Kenny G and Breadstick Ninja guys, they know their way around the kitchen.
Look at that.
That looks pretty good.
Thank you.
And we're gonna repeat that process until it's time to put them in the air fryer.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
This is on sale, Oreos. They're for the show.
My bad.
We are going to spray this so they don't stick, and then we're just gonna put these in here, dude.
Come on in.
And your thing's still warmed up.
It's hot.
It's hot. It's piping hot over there. And you just put these in there like so.
All right.
I usually do, I think 400 for like 4 or 5 minutes.
I was gonna ask you how long, because it's a cookie in raw dough.
Raw dough. Just walk in front of the camera. That's new here. What can you do? Okay, now we got those in over there.
All right, they're in over there.
They're in there. I got it on 390 for like 5 minutes.
But you just said like 400 for 4 minutes.
That's because this is new technology, man. Nobody's got it dialed in.
It's always changing.
So I usually go 390-ish.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna do the rest of them. Do you remember how to roll that out?
I got it. So, all right.
You take them out.
We just pulled these out. Woo!
And then once you got them on the plate,
Man, those look
you
good.
can pop those in there if you want.
All right, I'll do it.
And then you just put a little bit of that action, dude. Look at that.
I'm not gonna lie to you, those. I wish you could smell through YouTube right now.
You might be able to.
Get a whiff of that in your face.
Look at that. I'm displaying it like I'm proud, like this was mine, but it's online. A lot of these recipes are online with the air fryer. I don't remember what we spent on those, do you? The air fryers?
$70.
$70 for a 7-quart air fryer, such as that one right there. And you can cook all kinds of things in it. So we had cheese sticks for appetizers.
Yep.
Barbecue chicken wings and buffalo chicken wings
Yep.
for main. And deep fried Oreo.
Deep fried Oreo.
Try that bad boy out?
I'm ready. I've never had these before. Oh, that's good. That's good.
Yeah, that is good. The cookie kind of melts in there.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see that. Woo! The cookie melts into the bun.
I mean, if that doesn't say what can he do, I don't know what does.
I don't either. But let's get out of here.
Let's do it. We got more Oreos.
More Oreos to eat.
Yep.
And we'll see you guys in a couple weeks. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. And leave us show ideas, right? Always use show ideas.
Absolutely. We need coronavirus at home ideas.
Yeah. We do need those right now.
Yeah, we need them.
Hope everybody's staying safe and healthy. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Peace. Get another one of those things. That's good.
That's a good ass cookie.
That was very good.